How to clear Safari browsing history on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Safari browser. Here we go. Now at the bottom you're going to find different icons. Go ahead and click on this bookmark icon. Now over here you're going to find different icons. Click on the icon of history. Now in this page you're going to find all of your Safari browsing history. Now how to clear it? For that, you will need to click on this option of clear given at the bottom right corner. With that, you will get this pop-up, clear time frame. Set it to all history. Likewise, additional options. Close all tabs. Toggle on for it. Now click on clear history. With that, you have just cleared Safari browsing history on your iPhone. Well, this was really quick and simple process. This is how you can easily clear Safari browsing history on iPhone or iPad. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.